Welcome guys. Today we are going to showing you the gaming review of Coolpad Note 3. It's 40% approx charge is left, and this is time is 7:14. You can see that. Okay, fine. Let's start the game. Okay. First we are playing Subway Surfer. It's a very light game, but the problem is that I'm playing this game in many devices, but its frame drop is there. When I'm using MI4, which has a Snapdragon 801 processor, still there is some lag and frame drop is also there. Okay, some ads are there. Let's play the game. No issue with the display or gameplay or graphics, but sometimes it lags or sometimes frame drop is also there. This time you are not noticing this, but sometime I noticed that. Okay, let's quit the game and go to the any higher game. It's quite low memory game. Okay, just removing the game. Now play Temple Run 2. It's loading, and the main thing is that this phone can load the games quickly. I'm using any other device, but all those phones take some time, but it's load very quickly. This game is first time I'm playing, that's why it's taking time. Otherwise it does not take that time. Okay, let's play. This is not like Subway Surfer. You can see that there is no frame drop or no lag. You can play it smoothly, so no issue with low memory game. All those games are very little low memory game. It's no need of 3 gigs of RAM. This phone has 3 gigs of RAM, and for playing this game it's no need of 3 gigs of RAM. Even in 512 MB RAM can play that game. Okay, let's close that game and play another games. Now I'm going to play Badland. It's my one of the favorite game. Actually this game also a low memory game. It's just 400 MB or 500 MB game, but its graphics is good. That's why I want to play. Okay, let's. Okay, this is fine and gameplay is super fine, graphics also fine, and game there is no lag. Okay, now let's play much more heavier than that game. Sorry. Now let's play Asphalt 8. Okay, first I will show you its settings. I'm playing this game in high graphics. Okay, okay, just settings, sound, and you can see that visual quality is high. Yeah, okay, now let's play. Okay, now let's play. Yeah, I'm using the motion control, not the on-screen control. Graphics is good, you can see that. Though it has a 720p display, but graphics is still very good. You can see that. Sorry. Actually everything was fine, but not my speed was not fine enough. Let's do some drifting and let's see how it can perform in drifting. Yeah, still I can't find any frame drop or no lag. Gameplay is very smooth. Though I can't play properly, it's my fault. I'm not very good in mobile gaming, especially in Asphalt 8. Oh my god, sorry. Graphics quality is good, very good. I have already told you that it has already 720p display in 5.5 inch screen. It means pixel density is very low. It's near about 320 ppi, but still display is good. I was little worried about that, but the graphics is really good. And oh my goodness, this is the third time my car is crashed, so let's finish the game. Okay, yeah, no more crashes. Oh no. Yeah, okay, fine. No more crashes. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's finish the game. I think it's just last part. It will take 2 or 3 seconds to finish. Yeah, okay. Here's I have noticed some frame drop. I think you should also notice that. Okay, I don't know how it. Okay, now let's play another game. Let's play WWE. This is also WWE Evolution. It's by WB Warner Bros. This game is much more heavier than Asphalt 8. It has taking my 2 gigs of memory in game. This game is already loaded up and let's play the game. Okay, Okay, I'm playing WWE Immortals. Okay, let's play the game. This game is a very heavy game. It's used my 2 gigs of internal memory. Okay. Oh my goodness. This game's graphics is awesome. Why it takes 2 gigs of internal storage, now I can understand. You can see that. Awesome. Yes, I'm win. Okay. Okay. Okay, it's fine. This was quite easy level. Okay, let's play another games. Let's ultimately playing. I'm going to play the Nova 3. Most of the phones in this range can't play Nova 3 properly. Even Asus Zenfone 2 Laser also can't play the game properly. Let's see how it can handle the game. Okay, it's loading. Okay, let's continue.
This is SQ1 to actual. Do you read? Over.
You can listen that the sound is very loud enough.
Please confirm landing coordinates for San Francisco.
Sound is too loud, I can say. Well, just it's annoying. Sound is too much loud. I'm just little bit slow down the sound. Till now graphics is good, no frame drop. Yeah.
Warden to actual. Please respond. Yelena, do you read me? Damn.
Till now there is no frame drop. You can see that it's handling very fine. This phone has only 1.3 GHz processor, though it has an octa-core processor, but it still can handle the Nova 3 perfectly. You can see that there is no frame drop and no lag. Even in Moto G3 also tends to sometime has some frame drop in this Nova 3, but you can see that. Sorry. Okay, that's it. The main problem in this phone is it's getting very hot. Particularly, I'm feeling the hot temperature, particularly in this section. In this section, you can feel the temperature. And let's see. We are playing games from 7:14, and it's already 7:35, 34. It's we are playing game from last 15 minutes, and it's hot quite a bit, not so very. Even if we play games for more than half an hour or more than 1 hour, then it's get very hot. You can touch that portion, it's more than 45 degree or else. But now it's hot, you can feel the temperature, but it's not too much hot. Okay, and we are playing near about 20 minutes, 20 odd minutes, and at that time there was in 40% charge, but now it has 30%. It's mean it in this 20 minutes it's consume 10% charge. Okay, you can see the graph. It's very sharp edge. It means if you continue, if I continue to play that, it will not long lasting. Okay, fine. It means games are taking too much battery usage is average. Okay, that's it for the day. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you in my next video.